Amsterdam-based land life company, which specializes in high-tech nature restoration, has created its own version of the little seedling that could help in some of the aridest parts of the world. The innovative company has developed a recycled cardboard cocoon that is designed to support a seedling during the most critical first year of growth without the need for external irrigation. Literally helping Mother Nature, this protective cocoon provides water and shelter for the seedling that would otherwise struggle to survive. Initially, sticks were used to keep the seedling in place, yet after extensive field testing, it now uses a one-piece foldable insert to protect seedlings from high irradiation, winds, rodents, and desiccation. As if that wasn't helpful enough, Landlife's cocoon also stimulates the seedling to produce a healthy and deep root structure. It does this by tapping into the subsurface water supply. The end result of this inventive system is the maturation of independent and healthy trees. Not only are these miraculous cocoons 100% biodegradable, but they boost seedling survival up to 95%. Which is a game changer for countries with harsh climates. These impressive results are changing the landscape, one seedling at a time. While the cocoon's design is simple in nature, its development and execution of high-tech reforestation are advanced. According to the Landlife company, it uses a high-tech approach to smart reforestation, from the inception of the process, with a meticulous climate analysis, to using state-of-the-art machinery to automatically rev up the planting of biodiverse species. Then it transitions into monitoring growth, with the company's exclusive terrestrial monitoring app and drones. Landlife's design of its planting sites is also a huge part of the process, as the goal is to maximize the restoration of severely degraded lands. In other words, the forests it creates have to be resilient, withstand extreme weather and rising temperatures in the future. Its tech team carefully assesses the land and its ecological condition. The assessment is accompanied by a drone-based terrain analysis and input from local landowners. Then a detailed planting blueprint is drafted, which ultimately creates efficient planting, therefore optimizing climate impact. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. I'll see you again very soon.